Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
To divide two cells, type equals A1/A2 and press Enter. This simple formula divides the value in cell A1 by the value in cell A2 and returns a numeric result. Use parentheses to control order, for example equals A1 plus B1/C1, so Excel calculates sums before division. Avoid dividing by 0 by checking the divisor first. If A2 might be 0, use an IF test or conditional formula to prevent #div/0 errors and keep your sheet readable. Use quotient to return an integer result without remainder when you need whole number division in reports. Wrap with round to specify decimal places, for example round A1/A22 when you need 2 decimal places for financial or scientific formatting. Use to lock a divisor when copying the formula across rows or columns, converting relative references into absolute ones. Combine functions. For percent calculations, multiply by 100 or use text to format output, and nest IF to handle edge cases and bad inputs. Handle #div/0. With IF and tests like IF, A2 equals 0, A1/A2 to return blanks or alternative values when a divisor is 0. Divide ranges with array formulas or use helper columns for clarity. For example, enter equals A1, A10/B1, B10 as an array or perform elementwise division with a helper column per row. Cross-check results with SumProduct when dividing multiple arrays elementwise to validate totals and weighted averages. And always verify formatting, precision, and cell types before finalizing calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.